Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So I think we're facing really the risk that Ethereum will go 3 digits. I outlined the risk already in various videos before. Even months ago, I showed you a chart that would suggest that Ethereum could even go down to something like $600, $700 should it go below $1,700, which it did on the weekend, and it continued to move down since then. And finally, that impulsive move to the downside is unfolding that we expected. So we have seen here that wave 3 in green on the 12th of May. We moved up in a wave 4. The wave 4 came as a triangle. We thought a few times here in this sideways movement that the overall downtrend would already be starting. But in the end, the triangle, moved out. It extended a little bit, and that is what triangles oftentimes do. But I told you throughout, triangles are very difficult to forecast. But in the end, even though it took a bit longer, we have finally started here this impulsive move down. And the question is, where are we now? So we did reach my target area here already yesterday. That was, $1,500. I told you first, 1,548. We reached that. And then we came into the target area between $1,500 and $1,200. And magic, we found support at the lower end of the target area. Now we need to reevaluate whenever we hit a target area, will it be the last one or will we go down further? And I have to tell you very clearly, I don't see any bullish reaction to that level. The only reason why I put it at 1,200 really was because we have the 200-week moving average down here. So let me just put that on the chart. Let me put that on the chart, and I just need to change the settings here to the 200-week moving average. That is basically the level where we can currently find Bitcoin. Oops, don't know what's happening here. Where we can currently find Bitcoin as well, around the 200-week moving average. Bitcoin is still a little bit higher, but here Ethereum, that is exactly where we're currently finding support. Can you see that red line here? And I told you that we will find support at the 200-week moving average with a very high likelihood when we get down to that level. There we are. The thing is though, the Elliott Wave count does not suggest yet that we are done with it, that we're over. I don't think we are. We can't be, because a few things here. Wave 1 extended, wave 2 moved up, wave 3, this is wave 3. There is no wave 4 retracement yet. That would suggest the wave 5 is unfolding already. I think we have to be open to the idea that we will go even lower, especially as we haven't seen a bullish reaction to it. If this level breaks, then you're going to see probably the $1,000. It is a very impulsive environment at the moment, very impulsive. Bear in mind, when we are crashing down further, and this could be capitulation, I'm telling you that. This could be capitulation. When we go down further, there will be a strong recovery at some point because we are just massively oversold now again. Wave 3 is only just finished. I think we have to wait now for a wave 4 retracement and a wave 5 down. So I told you in the previous video that it was looking like, here on the 1 hour chart, that we had already done wave 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and that wave 5 would still be coming. That did come, and we hit here the lower support level of the target area. And now question is, how does it carry on? Personally, as I said just in the ADA video, we have to be very open to the idea that we might face here an extended wave 3 as well. Typically you wouldn't find that because wave 1 was already extended, but we have to be very open that this could even become a longer wave 3 as long as we don't see a reaction to the upside. It's highly unlikely that this small bit here was already wave 4. So this is highly unlikely. In the end, at the moment, unfortunately, due to the impulsiveness of what is currently happening, and because we hit the target area already, we now need to wait for further price information. So overall, from my point of view, the overall downtrend isn't over yet, but what we would expect is a wave 4 still to the upside. Now that will only start as soon as we see a little bit of a bullish reaction. Until then, this could still be an extended wave 3 to the downside. Now that we have come to the $1,200 level, and to be honest, all my scenarios are fulfilled now. All scenarios are fulfilled. We've come down to that $1,200 level, but I don't think we are there yet that we can say the recovery is starting. It's too early. We're just in the middle of the mess. Yeah, we're in the middle of the mess, so I cannot tell you much more at the moment. What I can tell you is that if we have another look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, let's just do this. Let's just try, from where do we start? We start in March 2020. And these are the Fib levels that I showed you earlier. Now, we are currently finding support, as expected, at the 200-week moving average, pretty much at $1,200. Now, if that breaks, what will be the next main support level? It will be 1075, the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. If we lose that, then I think $1,000 will be psychological support. But if we lose that, then you are going to see the $617 level, which is the 88.7% Fib level for ETH. How realistic is it? Everything's possible, yeah. That we really get there. I mean, it was in the scope of the possibilities. That's why I told you from the beginning, when we break $1,700, expect that we could see a 3-digit Ethereum. That we in the end get there, I mean, even I wouldn't have believed, yeah. So we need to keep an eye on that. We are in a downtrend. As long as we are in a downtrend, as long as we don't see bullish confirmation, we have to expect a lower level. So stay patient, yeah. But these, honestly, for me, are very attractive prices to go in, long term especially. Yeah, if we go in now, don't expect tomorrow the prices to shoot up, even though there will be a natural relief rally at some point. But at the moment, this could be capitulation that we are observing, yeah. We already saw that when we came down on the 12th of May. This one here, yeah, we came down massively. And I already saw then the comments, you know, I'm getting out of crypto, I'm frustrated, I'm not doing this anymore. These are usually good signs that we are close to the bottom, that we're close to the low. But the Elliott wave count didn't suggest yet that we were, and therefore I told you, also based on the price structure, we're not done yet. With a very high likelihood, we are not done yet. And therefore we are moving down lower now. And again, we could be very close. We have to be close to the low, right? I mean, we have dropped now massively anyway from the all-time high. And as I told you, next target level will be, if we break really the $1,200, next target level will be here the 1074, 1075. That is the 78.6% Fib level. And maybe then we have a bit more information about the price structure, and we can look a little bit better at the overall wave count. But for me, I have to be very open to the idea that what we are doing here at the moment is still the wave 3 in blue, and that we are having here something like an extended wave 3 maybe as well, and that the wave 5 in yellow, which would be coming down here, just hasn't finished yet. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on that for you, and I might even, due to the urgency of what is going on today, I might even update you later again, or might even do a live stream later today. All right, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.